Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Pat fish dry and season with 1 tsp salt and 1/2 tsp pepper. Drying the fillet removes surface moisture, so the crust browns quickly. Sprinkle salt and pepper evenly on both sides and gently rub them in. Use 1 tablespoon oil per 8 oz fillet to help conduction and prevent sticking, choosing a high smoke point oil like canola or avocado. Let fish rest 10 minutes at room temperature so seasoning penetrates, and the fillet cooks evenly from edge to center. Preheat skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering, about 2 minutes. A properly heated pan prevents sticking and creates an even sear. Add 1 tablespoon oil and heat until it ripples and lightly smokes, then tilt the pan to coat the surface so the entire fillet sees hot metal. Place fillet skin side down and press for 15 seconds with a spatula to keep it flat and ensure full contact. This avoids curling and produces a crisp skin and uniform browning. Cook skin side 70% of total time, about 3 to 4 minutes for 1-inch thick fillets, allowing the heat to travel gently from the skin inward. Adjust time for thickness, using 6 to 8 minutes total for 1 to 1. 25-inch. Flip once and cook remaining time until internal temp is 145 degrees F or flesh flakes easily with a fork. Avoid repeated flipping to preserve crust. Rest cooked fish 3 minutes and finish with lemon, a pat of butter, or chopped herbs for immediate serving and bright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.